Labelexpo 2023. I'm ready to meet Mark Handy. Mark Handy is an North American manufacturer of flexo presses with a very well-established business globally, and it has been one of the first suppliers in the label market to combine analog printing and converting with digital printing a couple of years ago. For this reason, I'm going to check the latest development in their digital series, which is their portfolio, their range of digital and hybrid presses. So follow me in this walk on the Mark Handy booth. Phil Baldwin is my guide, my host today here at Mark Handy on this big booth. So, hi Phil.
Hi. Nice to meet you, Lorenzo.
Nice to meet you. And so we have a flexo machine behind us. Many wonder if and when flexo may disappear from the market. I see that at Mark Handy you keep it healthy and advanced.
You hear a lot about flexo, digital replace flexo. They complement each other. As digital grows, it's moving more into hybrid, which requires flexo. I think you'll find flexo historically was narrow web, is now getting wider. So 500, 660 mil wide presses, as digital takes that narrow web, the 13, 17 inch market. But for us, flexo is still over half our business, and we will continue to make flexo. I mean, the flexo market has moved to servo. The Pro Series is a full servo press, but sort of at an attainable price point, sort of the price point of a mechanical machine. So it enables you to move to the servo market, less waste, faster changeover, and become competitive, and even with flexo still be competitive in a digital market. If we go to the D Pro Max, this is our latest addition to the digital portfolio. We launched originally with what we called the D1, and then we moved to the D Pro 3. We now have the D Pro Plus, which enables you to move your business into digital if you don't necessarily have that huger market, the big volume of digital work. It enables you to move into digital. The latest addition to that is over here now. This is the D Pro Max. So the D Pro Max is sort of the bigger brother of the D1, the D Pro 3. I mean, the D1 and the D Pro 3, we sold over 300 of these units globally. So it's so successful for us. The latest edition, it's a larger, it's faster, you have digital white, so inline conditioning. And
this is a toner. This is your.
So yes, this is a toner. This is a dry toner machine. So the speed's around about 40 meters a minute. So it's not up there with Inkjet. Toner technology has a great place. Inkjet is really taking over the digital market from toner, but toner still has that market segment. Whether you want to move into digital with a small toner, or whether you're producing wine stocks and so on, toner will always still have a place.
Okay, maybe in combination with embellishment, with special effects. Okay, it's more the area of toner, high quality.
Yeah, so toner is known as high quality. Inkjet now though is 1200 dpi resolution. Once you move past that, it's very difficult to tell the difference in quality. Okay. So what we concentrate on though is rather than the roll-to-roll, we look more at the hybrid machines. So the Pro Series we just saw, we've incorporated the flexo stations from that into the Pro Series. So rather than offering you just a roll-to-roll and then go to offline finishing, we can have a full hybrid. So you can have 1 flexo, 3 flexos, 5 flexos, for your embellishments, the foils, the laminations, everything you would like in a single pass.
Okay, and this series, the Pro Series, is a partnership. No? Because toner technology is...
Exactly, we're not going to try and reinvent the wheel. Okay. So toner technology is specialised, so we made partnerships. On the Inkjet, we do have Inkjet partnerships, but our baby is the Mark Handy Digital Series HD.
Okay, are you happy to show me?
Take a look, absolutely, come over. So let's go in and have a closer look.
Thank you. VIP position.
VIP. So, Mark Andy, rather than working partnership on the Inkjet, we actually built this platform from the ground up. So you look at the machine, and rather than being a box surrounded by flexo, it's fully integrated. So there's no encoders, there's no one flexo supplier, one digital supplier. The entire machine is Mark Andy, so it's a single supplier, true hybrid.
Okay, can you let's say take me a little bit through the line, so we check station by station this particular configuration you are presenting at the Labelexpo?
This particular press, this is the hybrid configuration. So we have 2 flexo stations for embellishment, shelf appeal. Everything's about shelf appeal and attraction to buy the product. We're using a Kurz disto run here, doing holographic placement. You can have a foil save system. To save money, you only place the foil where you need it. This particular unit is a hologram in register, flexo to digital. And the beauty of the single supplier true hybrid, the communication with software is one supplier. The digital engine, this is a CMYK, it's a 4-color process, white, orange, violet and green.
So it's 8 colors, 8
colors,
channels.
but it can be configured from 4 to 8 colors. In the 7-color system, we can hit 94% of the panto below delta E of 3. On the 5-color system, we can hit about 88% of the panto, thanks to the high chroma ring.
Okay, I see here is green, orange and violet.
Yeah.
Okay, you can choose different colors, or this is the recommended?
That's the recommended. Most people go white, CMYK, but we allow spaces if you want to upgrade in the future to add orange and violet. Green allows you to hit the very few, sort of 5% of colours you can't hit without green, but with a hybrid and a flexo station, you can hit 100% of the panto because you can use your flexo spot colour. So it gives you all the benefits without sacrificing offline finishing. Everything can be run in line in a single pass. So, as they're preparing for the demo, we'll just move this way slightly. Here the die station. This is our multi-award winning QCDC, quick change die station. So it's a vertical die that's been on the side. So a horizontal die, you simply side load. We're also running a semi-rotary system. Brilliant for digital, almost all die cutting is semi-rotary. This will run up to about 120 meters a minute, so it'll easily match the speed of the digital. What this enables you to do with the hybrid is produce the flexo. It's a fusion of technology, the best of both worlds, flexo and digital combined, and the result is a true hybrid single pass. So one operator, single pass, finished rolls.
Okay, what kind of inks and curing do you use in the Inkjet engine?
It's a UV Inkjet ink. We have interstation pinning. So what the pinning does is you drop the ink, and rather than the ink being sucked into the material or misforming, it forms the dot perfectly. So you end up with a very high quality 1200 dpi resolution.
So you have pinning after every
single lap. So other suppliers will do it after the white or after the CMYK. We do it after every single colour. Something you can't see on here, some new technology, is the boards historically have always been air cooled. That creates vibration, so that can upset the web transport. And the problem is with Inkjet, you're pushing ink through a very, very small head, a very small hole within the head, so it overheats. Yes, so you have to slow down or calibrate.
Yeah, normally it happens on the very fast digital presses, single pass presses, when the machine runs at very high linear speeds. The head tends to overheat.
It can overheat, so you have to slow down. If you're doing a big solid, you have to slow down. The Mark Andy Digital series runs at 73 meters a minute with no sacrifice. The new technology we have, we're using a water-cooled board system. So historically, when you drop with an air-cooled system, after a few hundred meters, the ink heats up and you either lose the shape of the dot or you get what we call satelliting, little pieces misting. So you lose quality and you lose speed. With the water-cooled technology we use, you can maintain full speed, 73 meters a minute, and there's no satelliting. You have a perfect dot from when you drop to when it reaches the paper at 2.4 picolitres.
Okay, so can we summarize that in your opinion, in the Marchendi opinion, the future of hybrid production is a mix of the highest quality, the highest reliability, the combination of printing and special effects all in one step,
all in a single pass.
Yeah.
I mean,
is that the trend you get from and the feedback you get from your customers?
Absolutely. So historically, the only option in digital was roll to roll with offline finishing. So customers who have a fleet of offline finishing may tend to stay with roll to roll. But the time saving and the cost saving, 2 operators down to 1 operator, no second pass. Everything's in line, checked and inspected. So you're not going to the offline finishing and having defects. So the future, and you'll see around the show, hybrid.
So thank you so much.
Thank you, Lorenzo.
And have a successful show.
Thank you very much.